what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So basically today I want to quickly share an update, a skincare update with you guys. And the last video, my last skincare video was 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago. Okay, so it's kind of update. There is nothing really much that changed, but I think basically because there is a lot of products that changed. So here I'm going to share my recent skincare, like ever since I posted the last video. This is actually how I use my skincares, and I can say that this product that I'm using, they are really nice and very helpful. And as you guys can see, it's not bleaching me because they are all from Ghana. And now I think for about 2 or 3 years, if I'm not lying, I've been using Garnier. Garnier is so good to my skin, and I don't even know when I'm going to stop it. Like I always say to you guys, make sure you test products before rejecting it. Anyone that works for you, stick to it. I already have tons of skincare videos out there which I'm going to put in the screen for you guys to also check out later. So in this process, I've finished cleaning my face, doing a lot of things. I'm putting my Garnier lavender oil. So over here we have Garnier bio. Okay, so I actually use the Garnier water, which you guys also saw in the screen. So this right here is amazing. So it regenerates your skin. Okay, so I use it first, and it's just like my first layer, but not always. Sometimes it all depends. Okay, because I actually have them too. So it's very nice, it smells good, it doesn't smell bad. Okay, I actually use them 2 or 3 times in a week. Yeah, 2 or 3 times in a week. It's not something that I always use every day. And over here we have the anti-aging. So this one also helps to prevent those early wrinkles on your face. So I also use it, and it's recommended to be using from the as early as 25. So I've been using this right here for about 3 years now. So yeah, I didn't start exactly 25 years start to use it. I started from 27 or so, or 28 thereabout. So the next thing is to rub it very well, make sure that it absorbs into my skin very well. Then after that, I go in with this is my Kajal eyeliner. Is amazing. I've been using it for so long, and it's really good. I even prefer it than my eye pencil. So I'm gonna apply it, okay, and make sure that I apply it very well. Then after that, I go in with my brush, my eyebrow brush. Okay, that's what I always call it. Maybe it has a name, but this is basically the name I call it, and this is how I describe it. Then after that, then I go in with my Yves Rocher lip gloss. It's almost finishing, guys. I can't throw it away because that's so cute, it's so amazing. And here you are, that's basically it. If you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.